Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josh Givens, a 16-year-old entrepreneur, and this is my Amazon FBA journey. So, if you haven't seen the last video, I've received all of my letters. I believe I told everyone I was waiting on the UTR code for my limited company that I incorporated. So, bear with a second. Try not to show too much just in case, but there is the HMRC letter, the brown letter that came with my UTR code for my new limited company. So as soon as I got that, I rang up Barclays, or it may have been a few days later, procrastination and all that good stuff, and they said because I'm 16 and for Amazon FBA, if you didn't already know, you have to be 18 to sell, and your bank account and everything linked to that has to be with the same person who must be over 18. So I knew I needed to open my business bank account in a parent's name, and I thought as a 16-year-old it'll be okay, that'll be like the norm anyway. The companies will make me open it with a parent as a guardian to kind of sign for me. So when I rang them, they said, you know, that should be absolutely fine because you're 16, you can open it in your own name. And I thought, I told them, you know, for the business I'm going into, it will have to be in a parent's name because I'm 16. So they said the only way to do that is to make the parent a director of the company as well. So this is kind of the solution as a 16-year-old, but all through like all these videos that I'm doing. But after it's all done, guys, I will make one video with it all together, the complete step-by-step solution to setting up FBA as an under 18. But carrying on with the story, I got off the phone after they told me that, and I hopped onto the web filings where the website after you get your limited company. In the post, you'll receive an authentication code to go onto that website. I just want to try and help you out, give you as much information about this as possible. The setting up part is probably the most not talked about part in FBA. You know, you've been told you find a product on Amazon, search for an Alibaba, sell it on Amazon. That's what you're told. Leave a comment. We all know that's what you're told. That's what I was told. But there is no one out there really going into depth about setting up your limited company and the legal side of it. So business banks, accountants, etc. So I made my parent, I won't disclose which one, a director of the limited company, and I called Barclays up possibly the day or the 2 days after I did that, and I called up Barclays. I got an appointment. So my appointment is next Thursday. So whenever this video is going out, the Thursday after that, because I'll probably try and get this out straight away. So yeah, these are two of the forms you have to fill in before the appointment. You have to fill out a personal sheet of details, very easy to fill out, and these are the harder ones. Both of these have 4 other sheets with them, so they're like big documents you have to fill out. This one is the Barclays Bank appointment of banker, so that's appointment of me and my parent. And then the other one is business account opening, and it's just all the company details. So I still have to fill those out, and I'm gonna have to wrap my head around the different things I have to fill out for that, because it does look quite confusing. But I'll get it. I'll do it. So exciting news, guys. I have the appointment for my business bank opening next Thursday, and I will definitely be uploading another video after that once the business bank is open. And for those of you wondering how long does it take, first off, the appointment, secondly, how long does it take to open the business bank after the appointment? Obviously I haven't done it yet, but on the phone I asked the man and he said 5 to 7 days to get it open after your appointment. That is really great, because I see in a Facebook group they are still waiting 40 days later after their appointment, and that is disgraceful, by the way. 40 days. So 5 to 7 days with Barclays. I'll obviously confirm that after my appointment, and the actual appointment is an hour to an hour and a half. That's what he said. So it's more of just a conversation. They get to know your business. So before they obviously take you on as a customer. But I hope you're enjoying these update videos. I always want to keep you get you along with the process of me documenting my Amazon FBA journey, and it's just become even more motivating the closer I get to starting, thinking about the alternative. If you are interested in this, haven't started yet because you're procrastinating, you have at least 2,000 in the bank spare, or you're getting that amazing 1% interest from your bank, what the hell are you doing, guys? Invest in a course. I took the one that is the first link in the description, but you can take any FBA course out there. Obviously, I'd recommend the one I took because then we can align and I can help you, as well as Johnny Bradley, who made the course. But I just really want to urge you guys to start, because even like myself talking now, I gained the capital ages ago. I was just worried, overthinking about how I can get it started as an under 18, that I just stalled myself. So I wish I took action earlier, but I don't regret researching a little bit more before I started, because I wanted to ensure I actually knew what was had to be done before I started. A lot of people do jump in too early, and I know a lot of people say you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great, and all of the different sayings along those lines. But if you don't know what you're doing and you jump in, you're ultimately going to fail. So make sure you've done your research, guys. So, if you're interested, if you want to get started, just take action. You can start by the course that is in my description. It will support me. It is an affiliate link. But again, me and Johnny Bradley can help you out through your journey. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to follow me on this journey. You don't want to miss another video. So I will catch you in the next one.